I'm gonna show you my really dirty oven. There's a lot of oil and grease, and I can't wait to show you the after. But there's just like all kinds of food and grime. As bad as the inside. Alright, so that's my before.
We should record ourselves having a conversation, and then we should put it in that fast motion and have it. Came out and we were all so very excited.
Obviously, it did not get everything off, and I didn't even do my grills. That's because I'm still going to be getting the oven cleaning solution that I would soak it in. But look at my rags. This is my Enviro rag, and this is the stainless steel one. So it could have gone a lot better if I would have rinsed them, but I wanted you to see what it was like to use them straight through without even rinsing them. This, of course, is a mess, and I still have a ton. This stuff will never get all used up, it seems like. But this was just done with water and the stainless steel cloth, the Enviro cloth, and the kitchen sponge. So I finished my demo about cleaning the oven and the fridge, and I want to clean my Enviro cloth and the stainless steel cloth. And actually this is a new kitchen sponge, and actually this one's about ready to get thrown away. So I'm going to use for the first time this microfiber cleaner. I've used just the regular detergent before, just a teaspoon of this, and this works really great. That's what we use to clean the rags. Just any kind of filler-free detergent will work. But now I want to try this new microfiber cleaner, and you use really hot water, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons because that is 1/4 of the recipe that's on the instructions, and I don't want to do as many towels as I would need for that large of a load. So I'm just going to stir that in there, and then I'm going to lay my cloths in there, and they're going to sit, I think, for 30 minutes. Just for good measure, I'll try out doing the kitchen sponge too and see how well it does. Okay, my solution here has been soaking for over half an hour. You can see the water is super dirty. Come in over here and see the water. Oh my goodness.